Binny.
Rocky,
Right,
Rocky,
you, dog
go
face.
this way.
Go that way, spin around. Disco dog. Good boy. Rocky, the other way. Rocky, watch me. The other way. Good boy. Good boy. Disco dog. Good boy. Let's get ready then. Now.
Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame. I admit it. Looking on me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now. Best of me now, best of me now, best of me now.
Because I'm heading out after this, so I want him to be calm. I don't want him to be revved up and then left with tab. Ready? No, leave him be. Nice. If you can.
Okay.
Disco dog.
Go that way.
Good boy, good boy. He's a good lad, he listens.
I bet it's this now.
And the other way, good boy.
Where's around?
Let's go for it. Okay. I like that noise. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, you got one good one. 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, you got 2. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1. Ah! Let's go. Ready? 1, 2. Rocky, you're not helping. Rocky, that's not help. Dude, that doesn't help. Not at all. Not even a bit. 1, 2, 3. 1. Hit your face, dude. Hit your face, dude. Hit your face, dude. Let's go. 1. Hey, 2, 3. Go. 1. Oh, so close. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, nearly. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Doing the dog poo walk to see if there's dog poo in the area. Do, 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 do. Go for it. 3, 2, 1. Big throw. Oh, that was good. You technically beat me. Mine just rolled further. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, what a good arm. See if I can beat you again. Ugh. No, mine just rolls. No good. Whoa! That was a good one.
You get flour and that.
Ugh. Nope. No good. Well, you've definitely won. Like, the red is the furthest. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Right. Now you need to go back with 3, so only have 3. That's it. Might have to big jump. Nice, he's done it. There you go. Gotta go back with 3, all the way over there, to the other door.
How do I get one though?
So, put one in the middle. Put one in the middle. Oh, you're in the lava now! So put one lily pad in the middle, one in your hand, and then you can step on that one to collect the other one. That's it. That's it. He's got it. Nice! And then you turn around and keep going that way. Right, take the one behind you. Keep going. And you've got to make it all the way back there with just 2. Only use 2. Easy, easy. Try and get all the way to the white door. See if you can do it. Rocky, leave. Nice. You got to turn around and pick that one up. Rocky likes playing this game. Problem is he takes the lily pads and runs away. Don't forget to get the ones behind you or you're not going to make it. Nice. Ooh. Ooh. Can you reach this one? Yeah, I'll help. I'll put that one there. Can he reach it? Oh no! He's managed it though, he's managed it. 2 minutes 30. He's done it, he's done it. 2 minutes. Now you've got to collect the other ones behind you to get past. How are you going to get those two now? Rocky, leave. Slam balls. Slam balls, Rocky. Slam balls. Nice. He's got it, he's got it. 22 seconds. Oof. Can you reach the one behind you? He's got it. I reckon you can make it to the door with those three. I reckon you can do it. Right. Sit. You have to jump from that step. Nice, easy. Easy. Pick that one up. Throw that one down. He's done it. He's there.